Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope so that you are fine and enjoying good health at home. This is me Faiza Zia, your SST teacher, and today we are going to do exercise pages of unit number 6, electricity. We will start our lecture with the moral lesson, that is, apologize when you do wrong. You know that everyone makes social mistakes from time to time, no matter how hard they may try. So, when you do mess up, apologize genuinely and immediately. Express that you are sorry and make plans to avoid that behavior in the future. Okay, now we will start our lecture, that is unit lesson number 6, electricity. First of all, I have shared with you the reading book pages of lesson number 6. So what is the topic? Electricity. So first of all, question raises, what is electricity? You know that we have already discussed in our previous video that electricity is a form of energy used for many purposes. And you know, we have also discussed uses of electricity. How can we use, where can we use electricity? At home, in industry, in communication, in transport. And we have also discussed sources of electricity. You know how many sources of electricity are there? Yes, there are 3 sources of electricity. And what are they? Hydroelectricity, thermal electricity, and nuclear electricity. And we have also discussed about solar energy, wind energy, and biogas. Okay, now in this video we are going to discuss the exercise of this unit. So our first question is, find a word in the word bank that could be used as a definition in the sentence below. So our first statement is, form of energy used at home, business and industries. What can be the right answer here? Yes, electricity. The second one is, electricity produced by using water. What is that electricity called, which is produced by using water? Yes, hydroelectricity. And the third one is, electricity produced by burning fuel. Thermal electricity. And the fourth one is, using solar panel to produce electricity. What can be the right answer? Solar energy. Converting organic matter into energy. What can be the right answer? Yes, biogas. Okay, now let's move towards our next question, that is, choose the best answer. Here we have given 3 answers. We will choose the best one. So our first question is, there are dash main sources of energy. How many sources of energy are there? We have already discussed. Even in this video we have discussed. Yes, 3. Next question is, hydro means water. The right answer is water. Okay, now the third one is, in a dash power station, fuels such as coal, oil or gas are burnt in a boiler to produce energy. What can be the right answer here? Thermal power station. Converting organic matter into energy is called, the right answer is biogas. The last one is, dash electricity is produced using water stored in dams. Hydroelectricity. Okay, our next and the last question is, match the columns. Okay, our first one word is electricity. With which word we can match it? What is electricity? Yes, electricity is a form of energy. We will match this word with form of energy. And the next word is hydro. Hydro means, remember? Yes, hydro means water. The next word is solar and electricity. Sunlight. And the next one is wind. With which word we will match it? Yes, kinetic energy. We have discussed it now. Biogas. The next word is biogas. Biogas is a form energy from waste. Okay students, now you will learn this exercise very carefully. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.